Hey there, welcome to GenTube. It's not just another AI app. Think of it like TikTok, but instead of watching stuff, you make it. It's super easy, totally free, and honestly, kind of addictive in the best way. Let me show you how it works. The real magic of GenTube starts the second you open it. Right at the top, you'll see this create bar. Just type anything that pops into your head, like, say, a dancing robot chef in a forest. And boom, you get a crazy fun creation in seconds. The best part? No paywalls, no waiting, no limits. You can make as much as you want, whenever you want. It's all about experimenting and having fun. All right, let's talk GenBlocks. These are like little creative building blocks you can drag and drop into your scene. Want a bear in the woods? Just add the bear block. Want a cozy campfire too? Throw that in. It's that easy. You can keep stacking stuff, maybe even build an entire camping party with guitars and marshmallows. It's super visual and hands-on. No coding, no complex tools, just good vibes and fun builds. Now, here's where things get even cooler: GenStyle. It lets you flip the entire look of your creation with a single tap. So your forest scene can go from cute cartoon to epic fantasy, or hyper-realistic and mystical surreal scene in seconds. Same idea, totally different mood. You can keep trying styles until it clicks, or just explore what looks awesome. Not sure what to make? Head over to the Explore page. It's packed with cool stuff from other creators. Funny, weird, beautiful, all just waiting for you to remix. See something you like? Tap it, tweak it, make it yours. It's a great way to get inspired or just mess around with what's already out there. So yeah, GenTube is basically a creative playground. Whether you're typing random ideas, stacking GenBlocks, playing with styles, or remixing stuff from other people, there's always something fun to make. It's fast, it's free, and there's no pressure, just pure creativity. So go ahead, open it up, and start creating whatever pops into your head.